In this video, how to clear icon cache and rebuild it in Windows. For example, I will delete the setup.exe file, then rename the Discord setup file to setup.exe. As you can see, the icon of the Discord setup file is still cached with the old one. To clear the cache, right-click on the Windows Start icon, then open PowerShell or Terminal as administrator. Run this command, then restart Windows Explorer to make the change take effect. As you can see, the icon cache has been cleared. If you don't want to run the command and restart Windows Explorer manually, you can create a batch script to clear the cache, then restart Windows Explorer automatically. Don't forget to save the files with the .bat file extension.
That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.